Welcome to AS Educational Channel. In my first lecture, first part of EV calculations, we have seen how to calculate the BLDC motor wattage which is required for the vehicle. In the second lecture, we have seen how to calculate the battery amperage. Now in this lecture, we will see how to calculate the torque of a BLDC motor. It is very simple. Now in the first lecture, in the first part, we have seen how to calculate the BLDC motor's wattage, and we have found out the wattage of BLDC motor was 4000 watt. Now we will say efficiency, minimum efficiency of BLDC motor is 85%. So neta I will take as a 85%, right? And it was having the RPM of 1400, right? This is the output power. Now we will say efficiency is nothing but the ratio of output power upon input power, right? So I have taken now efficiency as 85%. My output power will be 4000 into 0.85, right? Now how the output power is calculated by the another way, the another formula for calculating the output power when speed is known to you, that is n is known to you, that is 2 pi nt upon 60, 2 pi nt upon 60. So where T is a torque, n is the RPM of the motor, pi, we know the pi is constant, that is 3.14. This is equal to 4000 into 0.85. So I will take out the torque in the left side and I will calculate as 4000 into 0.85 into 60 upon 2 into 3.14 into RPM as 1400. So after calculation I get the value of torque as 23.2 Newton. Now this is the total calculation, Newton meter. So So for totally I can say that in whole the design I can say I need for a weight of 175 kg including carb and person and luggage at given conditions. I need a motor which is having a power of 4000 watt as well as it should have a torque of 23.2 Newton meter, and this motor will be driven by a battery which is selected in which has been selected in the previous lecture, and it was of I think 67 ampere hour. Thank you very much. In my next lecture we will see how to select the cable and how to design the cable for particular application. It will be applicable for this battery cable as well as industrial cables as well as household cables. We will see the designing of the cable in next lecture.